Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to today's session where I will be showing standing yoga poses for beginners that forms the foundation for a strong, balanced body. So we'll begin by standing with your feet as close as possible. Hands come to rest next to you. Your toes are open wide. You're pressing the balls of your feet into the mat as well as your heels. This is Tadasana. This is the foundation of every standing pose. So just raise your shoulders towards your ears. Roll it back, drop it down. Drop your right ear to your right shoulder, left ear to left shoulder. Nose to point, straight ahead, chin parallel to the earth. Just relax your shoulders, relax your palms. Take a deep inhalation. Completely exhale. This is how it's going to look from the side. Open your toes wide. Bring your legs as close as possible. If you want to check this pose feels right, one thing you can do is come to standing and gently shift your weight forward onto the toes or your the balls of your feet. Your heels feel like they're going to lift up. Press that into the earth. The arches of your foot lift up. You're just shifting the center of gravity. Remember, you're not bending. Just leaning forward. Come back to center. This feels more stable. So this is your Tadasana. The next one we're going to be doing is Utkatasana or chair pose. Option 1, your hands can come forward. Imagine you're holding a ball. Send your seat back. This kind of helps you balance. Send your seat back. Your toes start lifting. Press that. Press the balls of your feet. Press your heels. And remember, your knees are not crossing or pointing towards the earth. Try and keep your knees over your ankles or slightly towards your toes. You're not leaning forward. You're not sending your seat back. Whenever you're comfortable, reach your arms in line with your ears. Utkatasana, chair pose. You can stay here for about 3 to 5 breaths. Release, shake your legs out. The next pose that we're going to be doing is warrior or Virabhadrasana. Step your right leg back. Drop your right foot. All 4 corners of your feet is resting on the mat like we are in Tadasana. Toes open. It's pointing towards the long end of the mat, like at a 45-degree angle. Naturally, your body aligns in that way, especially your ankles. Bring your left knee, stack it over your left ankle. Slowly raise your arms up in line with your ears. What happens is we start moving our knees in. Remember, knees in line with your toes. That way you'll also not have any knee pain. 2, 1. Pressing your feet into the earth, reaching your fingertips towards the ceiling. Release. Step forward, shake your legs out. This time, step your left leg back. Remember, hip width apart. Knees stacked over ankle. Press the outer corner of your left foot into the mat. Knees in line with your toes. Inhale. Reach up. Breath in. Breath out. Staying there for 3 to 5 breaths. Shake those legs out. The 4th asana that we're going to be doing is Vrikshasana. Right foot. Bring it all the way up to the inside of your thigh. But if this is difficult, we're going to bring it and rest it on the other foot. Option 1, turn your knees towards the right side of the room or bring it to the inside of your leg. Never on your joints, never on your knee joints. If you need to, you can always place a chair, take the support of the chair, or if you like me, closer to the wall, place your fingertips on the wall. Get into the pose. Just your fingertips there. Whenever you're ready, hands come to Namaskara Mudra. And whenever you're comfortable, take it up towards the ceiling, or you can open your arms wide. Remember, knee is pointing towards the right side. On the left side, I'll show you facing the camera. Grab hold. Again, pressing that right foot into the mat. Knees towards the left side. Hands in Namaskara Mudra. It's completely okay to feel wobbly. Very important is where you keep your focus, your drishti. Find a stationary point. Stay there. Once you feel stable, reach that hand up towards the ceiling. Eyes are open at all times. Release. Slowly drop your legs down. Step your right leg towards the right side of the room. Left toe is pointing straight ahead. Again, remember, knee in line with your toes. Parsvakonasana. We're going to bring our knee to stack over the ankle. Stretch as much as you can. Generally, what I like to say is, arms like the letter T. Your ankle should land just beneath your wrist. Just remember that you're going to just to a point of slight discomfort, never pain. Your heel bisects the arch of your left foot. Like if I draw a line from your heel, it bisects the arch of your left foot. Option 1, rest your arm. You're creating like a plus sign on your thigh. Reach that left hand up. If you feel this is comfortable, you can go further. Drop your hands to the inside of your right foot. Reach that left toe. Hold. Your gaze can be forward, or when you're looking down, you can look towards your toes. Otherwise, you're looking at your left fingertips. Release. Come back slowly. This time the other side. Adjust. Your choice, where you want to place. Two. Breathe in and out. And 1. Come back. Slowly bring your feet together. The next asana that we're going to be doing is Prasarita Padottanasana. Legs are nice and wide. Again, ankles beneath your wrist or as wide as you can. One thing here is your toes are pointing straight ahead, heels behind your toes. Go as wide as you can. Arms like the letter T. Hinge at your hip. Let your hands land so that the tip of your toes, tip of your fingers are in one straight line. Crown of the head towards the mat. Close your eyes, you may lose balance. Stay here for about 3 to 5 breaths. The other way you can do this is place your feet against the wall. So this wall kind of supports it. Extend as far as you can, preferably on the same surface, either on the mat or the floor. And you can go as deep as you can because one side is supported. Don't hesitate initially to use your walls, chair, blocks, cushions as props when you do these asanas. Thank you so much for joining me in today's session. All these asanas work on the major muscle groups in our body. It's important to be consistent with your practice. I have 2 more videos where I'm talking about asanas that you can do in sitting, asanas that you can do in lying. I'll leave a link up here. You can watch that and do a combination of these together. If you have any questions, queries related to today's practice or anything yoga, write to me in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you think this class was valuable, please like and share. Namaste.